Luna!
And they're not afraid of me.
The only person here afraid of your power? Spark that gave life to the universe. And the flame that consumed my world. Because you're stronger than you know. Because you're special, Jean. I told you they could never understand you.